Hi, my darlings. It's a Friday, January, oh shoot, I'm not sure what the day is, but it's Friday, and we're getting snow. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is how much snow so far we've gotten, and we're supposed to be having a big snowstorm this weekend. So I'll show you what we get at the end. But this is Friday, and what it looks like in our driveway.
The road from A to B can take some unexpected turns. You were driving one place and
good job, Hubby!
Oh my god.
Hubby's trying to do the floss.
It's not that easy.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh yeah!
Oh.
Good job! Good job!
No.
I don't know if you can see, but it is snowing. This is Saturday. I just wanted to show you. We didn't get any snow really last night. So it's Saturday night, and we're just going to show you what we're having for dinner tonight. I'm having this spumante to drink. I kind of call it my like champagne kind of thing, but it's an Italian sparkling wine. It's really good. And then we're having nachos. We're having nachos, and that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. And I'm going to put some hot sauce on mine. My husband can't handle hot sauce. So there's cheese sauce, there's ground beef, and some tomatoes. And they're all different type. They're a mixture of different types of tomatoes and some sour cream on the side. And like I said, I'm going to put some hot sauce on mine. So that's what's for dinner tonight. So this is Sunday. I just opened our door, and look how much snow. And it's still snowing. Covered. Robert's out there shoveling. So this is Sunday. It's still snowing, and my husband just shoveled that, and it's already covered again. Here's Robert. There's the door. Received some cotton candy mail. Some happy mail from my beautiful friend Cali G here on YouTube. She's Cali G Crafts. Thank you so much, Cali. I have actually opened this, and this is just brightened my day. So thank you so much. She's wonderful. If you haven't checked her out, please go and check her YouTube channel out. She's just lovely, and she does a lot of crafting and hauls and things on her channel. And she's a beautiful crafter, as you'll soon see. So I'm just going to get right into it. And these stickers here were on the front, so I just wanted to show them to you. But in the front we had our addresses, so I didn't want to show those. Sorry, Callie, I tried to get this open without ripping that, because she made this envelope. So, okay, so here I'm back. She made this beautiful pocket and filled it up with a bunch of goodies. So I'm just going to share with you. She has this beautiful pom-pom. Here is this magical XO happy, be happy, I think it says. And then she put this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like tickets kind of thing there. And so that's what it looks like. And then the back has these unicorns, and it's a shaker. That's really awesome. And I gotta show you this. She sewed all along here. Hopefully you guys can see there's like a bit of a clear. She sewed all of this together. Just amazing. I just love it. Okay, now I'm just gonna show you what she put inside. So she had this pocket with ice cream cones. She knows how much I love ice cream cones. And in the pocket, so that's what it looks like. In the pocket she had this. I love this. Kindness is always in style. And it's so cute. And that's the back of it. And then this beautiful bird tag. It's gorgeous. And then another tag here. And then she gave me some doilies. I love doilies. So that one. And then this little heart, purple heart doily. And this too. I love gold. And then she has this, where flowers grow, so does beauty. Isn't that just lovely? That's gorgeous. Okay. And then she made this beautiful tag. Oh my gosh, I just love this. Look at that darling deer. And she sold this too, if you can see. Like, just amazing. I just love it. And she knows how much I love her crafting projects that she does. Like, as you can see, she's very talented. And another tag. And this one says, "Oh, happy day." And then it says, "hello." So there's like 2 tags there, or you can make it all into one. So this is just awesome. And then this is the pocket again that she did. And on the back it says, "Just a little note for me to you. Love, love, love." And I love love. Mrs. Cotton Candy loves love. And look at this shaker. I just love that. So thank you so much, Cali, for doing this for me and taking the time and to think of me. Thank you for brightening up my day. And thank you for being my friend. And you did a wonderful job. I just love it. So thank you so much. I hope you're doing well. And she also wrote me a little note too, but I took that. It was on here. I took it off. So thank you so much, Cali. Please go check her out, Cali G Crafts. So it's Monday, and I just want to finish up this vlog. The sun is out there, if you can kind of see it there. But it is freezing. Like, if you go out there, you'll probably get like frostbite. It's that cold. We did get the blizzard. It was very blustery out over the weekend. Lots of like snow drifts and stuff. But I don't think we got as much snow. Like, we've gotten more snow over the years than what we got over the weekend. But it was nasty out. So, anyways, I just wanted to end this vlog. Thank you so much for watching and for all your love and support. And if you did get any of the snow or the bad weather, I hope you're warm and safe. And remember to always believe in yourself. I believe in you, and you truly will go far. That beautiful sun. Sorry, I hope I'm not blinding you. But thank you, and toodaloo! Thanks a lot for watching. Toodles!